pamilya ko sa Barnes & Noble.
Okay.
Go, go!
Nag-uubos tayo ng oras. Tapos sa turnover natin.
Nawala yung momentum natin, yung aggressiveness, ano?
Naging tentative tayo ng dalawa.
Dapat di kayo
Yan, ball possession pa, di ba?
Pwede pa lang lumaro pa.
Technical, tsaka ball possession. Tapos pag yun na naka-foul, technical ball possession ulit. Ilan lang ba sila? 7 ba sila? Naubos sila? Ibig sabihin, 3 yung na-foul out.
Rapid lang. Oh. 2, Yogi. Meron tayo, ano yung nandun sport niya, ano, dapat kumain mo tayo. Agaw sa soto, ano.
Yung doon,
O sa sulok, ano.
yung free throw ko yun na na-miss tapos napunta ko.
Ikaw na, ano. Yun ang pasyon na yun, eh.
Saka yun dito, dapat yung nakashoot, di dapat tayo tumawag yung timeout nun kasi running time.
Running time nga. Yun nga.
Ha?
Fourth dapat tumawag yun. Yung mga 4 seconds na ano, kumain na 4 seconds.
Si CR lang ako.
4 pa. Dalawa. Left two.
Hindi, meron siya mga 2 o 3 dress eh. Pero,
Meron siya, big shot eh.
ha?
Yung doon.
Apat na naman.
Oo. Parang namin kasi.
Move number 10.
Meron.
Hey, stop. Hey, let's go. Hey, stop.
Nakaga natin silang napag sa first half. Intro kagad tayo.
Tayo rin yun, tayo nung kabilang half tayo naman.
Oo, oo. Kasi Toto, nawala rin. Medyo ano.
Pagod din siya. Napagod din dahil siya nagdadala eh. Saka nakaharas rin.
Pinakuha dito sa ibabaw. Pinakuha dito sa ibabaw. Ayo! Sayang yung isang pasok eh. Pero nakita kita natalunan ako.
Nag-iisa ako nung kasi hindi ko lang nakakapansin sa akin.
Nung 7 seconds, nung hindi na tayo, nakatawag solo.
Hindi ako tinawag, nag-isa rito.
Oo. Ano yung 7 seconds na, nagpahuli. Nag-back up sa akin. Hindi ko nang titira.
Ako ata yung nakapag-turnover ko ba yun? Hindi. Medyo matanda.
Hindi kasi ang target naman nila si Bubod eh. At least isang video na may laban lang.
Tayo mag-inom ng gana.
Nasyak yata eh.
Are you guys done playing?
Ha?
Are you guys done playing?
No, we haven't played yet.
Oh, okay.
Ollie, after that game, the first episode. Yeah. 15. Okay. Okay. My Raiders win tomorrow or what?
Who are they playing? Pittsburgh.
No, yeah, right.
Sure, of course, we're at.
No Harrison, no Palomalo.
Yeah.
We're at home. And they were embarrassed last week.
They still have the
Nice game, Wayne.
Huh?
Nice game. Nice call.
Raiders playing home.
Yeah. Did you watch the game? We're winning at 10-7 at halftime. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, McFadden, is he playing or what?
Yeah.
You guys played a good game. Hey, who do you guys play next? The winner of what? This game?
I don't know.
The winner of this.
Maybe.
Yeah, because they're the top seed. They're the top seed. You guys are 5 and 4.
Yeah.
So you will play. Wait, who's that? Wait, who's that? 6.
Stop guarding these guys.
They're fast, they run. They're gonna run. You have to slow them down.
No, these guys, I mean...
Nice pass! Nice pass!
They're still in shock.
Where you playing?
Huh? Where you playing? Over there.
Lakers.
Ginebra.
Ginebra, okay.
I heard Julian is some pain or something. I'm gonna make him in pain. Don't get technical, guys. Especially not on the closing seconds, huh?
Right, right. You gotta temper. You gotta temper that inner hawk. Come on. You gotta stay within that, stay in defense but not going over. You gotta find that middle ground.
See, the first game.
That's how you not lose that thing.
First game.
Second thing, if you're really frustrated, don't shout at anybody at their faces. Shout at like some, at a space somewhere. You know what I'm saying?
mellow.
Well, no, stay aggressive, but like, you just need to be conscious.
I never
about
guarded
it.
Julian. What's the advice? We never played Ginebra. We
Oh my
forfeited.
God. Like,
Is he fast?
yeah, and it's like,
But I think he's like Tony Parker though. He's not
Yeah.
too fast.
Yeah.
You know how me, I like to just beat you in the middle and go. He's not like that. It's more like.
and he likes taking jump shots here. So,
Is he strong, right? Guard him, right?
I can't remember how we played them. I think we played them twice. The first one was a default game, so we won without having to play them.
Is that the right time? 9:30?
Maybe.
Is it 9:30? Is that the right time? 9:30 or 10:30?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
That is correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, did you know I didn't understand that rule? They had 3 people fouled out already. Nobody was playing on his 5th foul. I didn't understand that.
If they foul, you get technical.
Yeah. Because they can't go 3, obviously.